Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable Google Assistant in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply long press this home screen, click on get started. Here you have to turn on this, click on next, click on more, I agree. You have to recognize by your voice to teach your assistant. You have to agree all this and say what is written on this. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And friends, you can see you have to click on next and your Google Assistant is now set. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.